The Learjet and maximum capacity. For those that like lengths and wingspans and heights, it's got a length of 58 feet, wingspan 23, and a height of 14 feet. His height now is much lower than that, and he's flying at 300 knots. Second flight past of the Learjet 16. And there goes the CL-145 water bomb. To your right, you'll see the Cessna 206 piloted by Kevin Sant. Sorry, the Cessna 172 first, piloted by Clifford Ferrugia, and the 152 piloted by Trevor Darmanin. And again, look to your right, and you'll see the 206 now is started the takeoff run. 206 piloted by Kevin Sant. In line abreast formation and below the lead aircraft to stay out of the wash that they would pick up from the propeller of that lead aircraft. It's of interest on your right hand side in a relatively high speed pass at around about 140 knots. Will be from all the compartments on the aircraft. All 4 water doors will be open, and he'll be dropping an amazing 6,137 litres after this high speed pass and on his next pass. High-speed pass, water bomber, lining up with the runway for the next water drop. And I promise you, if you were underneath that, you would now be very, very wet indeed. They can be seen by other aircraft very easily. Notice also that the floats and the wingtips there become just how manoeuvrable this relatively large aeroplane is. Of low-level steep turns, so you can see the undersurface of the aeroplane. In fact, it's almost like the hull of a boat, as you can imagine, landing on water.
see the door opening up now? And the window.
Bottom of the canopy there, it says the Tigers fft.co.uk. Please, by all means, go on there. As you can see, that's the Union flag for ourselves. Obviously, very proud to fly this. And there he comes. Tonight's our cameraman, got 1 minute. Fantastic job. Now, of course, there's one flag which you consider a little bit better than ours. And this is a guest jump from ourselves. He's a Scottish, part of the Scottish infantry team. And let's see if he gets lands anywhere near this cross. There we are, the Maltese flag. A big round of applause there. So now if we look skywards again, applause for him. So let's put, we haven't got engines, we can't just turn around and do it again. And there we are, there's another 2 guys connected to the go. They're particularly dangerous down this low. But of course they're trying to show off for you guys. And I think, in fact, what will be happening is they're going to land the 2. You won't see this very often, believe me. And there we are, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations.
Running in is just to your right, crossing the threshold of runway 05. So he's about, I would say, 30 seconds away. Look out to you right now, you see the Casa, 200 feet, and its own tribute to the Tigers display team. And of course, without the Casa, it would be very difficult for them to have showed you their professionalism. We're now running in, 10 seconds to go. Chief Justice, Your Excellencies and the Maltese nation, the Tigers salute you.
It's 16.
That's the final pass before the aircraft lands. And show your appreciation, final wave to the team members of the group.